To use Portable Hotspot on Poco M8, start by opening the system settings. Now we have to go for more connectivity options and click on Portable Hotspot. When you are here, before you start using the Portable Hotspot, before you are gonna turn it on, I can highly recommend you to set this up. So when you click here, you can change name of your hotspot by clicking here. You can also change the password. You can change security settings. I will recommend you to go for the WPA3, it's more secure. And you can also change the AP band for 5. And for some reason you can hide its SSID. SSID is actually the name. So you can hide name of your hotspot over here. If you make all of these changes, you have to click here. And you can also set the one-time data limit over here. And when you go back, you can also share the QR code. So basically, you can let someone quickly scan. Or you can turn off hotspot automatically when there is no devices connected. So if you want to get your hotspot to be turned on always, you have to turn off this option. And here you can also check how much devices are connected. And you can also limit this. So if you want to get only 2 devices connected, you can for sure do that.